How to see your watch history on TikTok? Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and view your watch history on TikTok. So if you're trying to find a video that you watched previously on TikTok, by the end of the tutorial, I'll show you how to find that video. I'll also show you how to delete videos from your watch history as well. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to see our watch history on TikTok, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then navigate to your TikTok profile by selecting Profile in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile, open up the menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app, and then in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and under Content and Display, select Activity Center. Once in Activity Center, select Watch History. And then right here, you'll be able to see your entire watch history on TikTok. From here, you can scroll down and see all of your watch history. If you find a video that you want to remove from your watch history, simply choose Select in the top right, then select the videos you want to remove. Or you can select all your videos by selecting Select All Watch History. And then you can select Delete to remove those videos from your watch history. All right, so that's how you see your watch history on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.